Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Catherine. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I have a video serving two purposes. I have the first Trendmood Takeover box, and it was a takeover by Henriksen, and it's all skincare. The second part is I purchased this box to use as my 5K giveaway. So I'm going to show you what's in it and then tell you how you can have a chance to win it all. So let's open this thing right on up, and that is what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to open it because I want to be sure and show you guys everything that comes in it, but I'm going to put it down and do it as gently as I can so that I can just wrap it back up just like it is and have it ready to send out to our winner. Okay. So when I open it, now we have all of the bubble wrap packaging. So let's get in here and see what there is. I'm going to use this as my 5K giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much, so much for getting me to 5K. I mean, it is such a blessing. I cannot thank you enough. I'm having so much fun doing this, and knowing that you guys are out there watching and talking to me, it just makes it so much fun. I will tell you right up front before we get into the video, this giveaway is going to happen a little differently. There's a lot going on out there, and we're kind of on lockdown right now, so I can't go to the post office. I'm going to try and work out if I can mail this from my house, but I don't know that I can. I don't know that my printer is good enough to print out anything that I would need to be able to legally mail it. So I'm going to try, but we'll see if I can. If not, I don't know when it's going in the mail. We will do it the same as I always do. I will leave it up for a couple weeks. I'm going to do some videos where I give some extra entries, not as many as I usually do probably, because I'm also going to do some videos where I just take, like when I do an unboxing, I might grab a couple of the things out of it and put them in smaller things and then pick a winner off of that video in just a couple of days. So we'll have winners like that. The thing is, and I mean this for this video and all of the videos where I'm going to be doing giveaways, I don't know when they're going to get mailed. I'm going to box them up. I'm going to have them ready to go, but it could be a week. It could be weeks. It could be months. We just don't know. So you could win this and it could not ship out for, I can't tell you. I can't tell you when it's going to ship out. So if that sounds too frustrating for you, I completely understand, and I will see you on the next giveaway at 6K, which hopefully the world will be back to twirling on its axis like it should. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the giveaway. I'm going to do the smaller giveaways. I'm going to get everything packed up. And then when I think it is safe outside to go into the post office, I will put them in the mail. I hope that is okay with you guys. I just kind of thought about putting it off. I thought about, you know what, I'll just wait until, but it could be so long. And I hate to just continue to put off doing the giveaways. So I thought, well, you know what, I'll do them. And then the winners, when we're all looking forward to getting back out of our houses, that's something else they can look forward to. It'll just be another light to look forward to, because we all need something like that now. Okay, that's where I am with that. I'll tell you the rest of the rules when we get to the end. Let me show you what we've got. I have the Brighter, Bouncier Skin in 7 Days. And this is a whole box that was originally based on the Henriksen Banana Bright. And it has a brand new product in it, the Vitamin C Serum, which is, I think, the basis of how this whole box started. But let me show you the products. And I will probably toss in a few extras too. Right off the bat, we have the Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. That is, like I said, what this is all based around. The back of this card tells us about this product. It is powered by a 20% acid blend, 15% vitamin C, and 5% PHAs, hyaluronic acid, and banana powder-inspired pigments. Benefits: targets all major signs of aging, dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and uneven texture. It hydrates. It brings instant radiance to the entire complexion. And I will take them out of the box, but obviously we're not going to do any more than that because I want them to be brand new for you guys. So that is what that looks like. And this is 1 ounce, and it has a $65 value on Sephora right now, which all of these products, the prices I'm getting ready to give you, are what they are going for right now on Sephora, $65. Next, we have the Banana Bright Face Primer, and that is what that looks like. And this says, inspired by makeup artist must-have, banana powder. This luminizing makeup primer contains vitamin C brightening pigments and soft focus powders to instantly illuminate the entire complexion and blur the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It creates a hydrated and radiant canvas that lasts and lasts. That is what that looks like. Pop it right back in the box. And it's 1 ounce of the face primer, and it has a $38 value. So we're already over 100. Next, we have the Banana Bright Eye Cream. Brightens, hydrates, and is age-defying. And that is what the box looks like. And this is half an ounce and is $39. And that is what the bottle looks like. And the back says, Banana Bright Eye Cream reduces the look of dark circles, firms, and instantly targets fine lines and wrinkles. It blurs, brightens, and corrects for an instant Oola glow. That's that. Next, because there's more, we have a cold plunge pore mask. And that is what that looks like. And this is the full size of this, and it is 3 ounces for $38. And that is what that looks like. And the back of this says, Cold Plunge Pore Mask deeply purifies and instantly diminishes the look of pores with an exhilarating chill. That sounds very exciting. Inspired by the cold plunge step of the Scandinavian sauna cycle, this cooling clay mask detoxifies pores and smooths skin texture. Add cool water and the mask transforms into a luxurious lather to sweep away excess oil, impurities, and reveal a cool and clarified Oola glow. That sounds fantastic. And last but not least, we have the Transform Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. And that is what that looks like. And this is, again, the full size, 6.5 ounces, and it is $29. So that gives this entire box a $209 value and a full face of awesomeness. Oh, it feels like glass, but it's not. It's plastic. But it's purple and pretty. I love that. We put it right back away. And this one says, transform the way you think about toner. Transform your skin. Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner, supercharged with high-potency AHAs, targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and smooths texture. Infused with sandalwood, chamomile, and licorice extracts, it's gentle enough for daily use to retexturize, prepping skin surface for serum and moisturizer. Reveal a transformed, refined, and youthful Oola glow. So that is the theory, is in all of this, we are looking for that Oola glow. I am so glad I got this box. It sold out so quickly. I mean, it was gone in, I think, under 10 minutes. And I just knew I had to have it for you all. So, again, we have the Vitamin C Serum, the Vitamin C Face Primer, the Vitamin C Eye Cream, the awesome-sounding Cold Plunge Face Mask, and the Dark Spot Toner. I've got it right back in its box, looking really pretty and waiting to come to somebody sometime. Because, like I said, I'm going to do the giveaway and select a name, and when I feel like it's safe to go back to the post office and mingle among people close up, I will put it in the mail. Let me put my glasses on because I made notes. Let me go over the rules. They are the exact same, I think, as all of the rules of every video I've ever done. You have to be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions on public so that I can see you are indeed subscribed. Like this video and comment below. Your comment has to have the words "enter me" in it, because some people may see this and they're very nice and they want to comment below, but it's not necessarily something that they think works for them. So I don't want to accidentally enter people that don't want to be entered. So if you want to be entered, you have to put "enter me" in your comment. This is for US residents. I am, however, right now over on Instagram, same name, Kathryn McCarty, running a 500 subscriber giveaway. And because it's 500, it's a smaller giveaway. It's more reasonable to ship internationally. So I am opening that up to international viewers. So if you're an international viewer, go over and check out my Instagram giveaway because you can enter that one. You have to be 18 years old. I will notify the winner and they have 72 hours to get back to me, or I move on to the next person. I say that every time and it's never even begun to be a problem. I usually hear from my person within an hour. I just say that because I know that some people out there have done giveaways and they wait and they don't know how long they should have to wait. So That's just one of those rules that probably doesn't matter. You can get an extra entry by following me on Instagram. I will randomly select a winner. There is an app that I use on my iPad that is awesome at it. And I am not at all affiliated with YouTube. This is not sponsored by YouTube. It is not sponsored by Trendmood. It is not sponsored by Henriksen. I bought this with my own money. I am so grateful that you got me to my 5K. That's all the stinking rules. I know, I hate rules too. Okay, and finally, we're going to end it in 2 weeks, which takes us to Sunday, April 5th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So however that works out time-wise for you is when I will do a cutoff on this video and all of the extra entry videos. I don't know how many of those we're going to have. We don't have many boxes coming. I have gotten a few emails from some of my boxes, and I don't know that we're going to get all of our boxes in the next month, and that is absolutely fine. It is absolutely fine. We need everybody out there to do their part to stay in. I know I'm not going to preach on this. I know you guys came here to take your minds off of it, but I just want to say I will get as many videos up as I can. I'm thinking about doing some face masks, maybe some get ready with me's. I have a couple of things that people, like that little stamp eyeliner thing that people have shown some interest in. So if there's anything in particular that you would like to see me do a video of that I can make an extra entry in, let me know below. Be sure and put enter me still though in your comment. And I think that does it. I just want to reiterate, I'm doing the giveaway now. I'm going to put it together. I'm going to put your nice little name on the label. I'll send a picture of it to you at that point. But I can't promise when it's going to be mailed. I'm not mailing it until I'm comfortable going back to the post office. I just thought it would be something over the next couple of weeks that could take our minds off of everything that we wish we could take our minds off of, and it would give somebody a light to look at when this is all done with. Okay, thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much for giving me... Oh, I had to stop for a second. I felt a little weepy. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much for getting me to 5K. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you're out there being safe and taking care of you, and we'll get through this together. All right, take care, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming up where I'm Happy Smiley Kathy, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.